Hi guys and welcome to Autocraft Motor Caravans. In this video we're going to show you how to fit this 40 litre water tank under the Ford Transit Custom. This water tank will fit the Ford Transit Custom from 2012 to 2022 models. It'll also fit automatic and manual versions alongside the Trend, the Active, the Limited, the Sport, the MSRT and the Trail. So if you've got a Ford Transit Custom between 2012 and 2022, this tank will work for you. Now, we fit this tank several different ways. First of all, in this first video, we're going to show you a nice simple way and just get the tank under the vehicle. So it's going to fit on the off side of the van, the driver's side, underneath the sill, just behind the driver's door. So we've already put the fittings in the water tank, and James is just going to offer the tank up, and basically the tank strap kit is simply going to cradle the tank. Once you've got the fixtures and fittings underneath that you need, then it's very straightforward to attach the tank. Now, with the different models, you will find that the spacings are slightly different. There's not massive differences underneath the chassis. On the Active, you've got the sidebars. On the other models, you haven't got the sidebars as factory. So what you'll have to do is just work with the different spacings to suit your vehicle. As we can see, that we've already fitted the fittings into these water tanks for the video. As we've taken the water tank over to the vehicle, the access cap was facing downwards. The fittings were already in the tank, which we've personally put in this morning. Now, in your kit, you'll be supplied these individually. So you'll get a 40mm elbow, which will be for your filler. Your filler pipe will be the convoluted hose, and then to get into the convoluted hose, we'll supply a locking filler cap. You'll also get supplied with a breather, which two fittings will be the same. One's going to be your outlet and one will be the breather. The breather goes in the top of the tank and then the outlet goes into the bottom of the tank. From the outlet in the bottom of the tank, that's going to run up to your water pump. Now, from the water pump, and once you've got to the water pump, you can go several different ways. So you can add different components into the kit, into your line. You can add external shower points, for example. You can add hot water, you can go to your tap. This is simply just teeing off onto different components. Now, what we will do is that we'll go into the showroom, we'll have a little look at one of our vans that we've fitted several items into this line, and that'll just give you a good insight into what can be done with this kit. And now we're in our showroom, and I feel it's important to show you guys one of our vehicles that's got all these components fitted and some extras. So let's have a look at what extras we've fitted. First of all, we know that we've got the water tank fitted underneath the sill of the vehicle right here. On this side of the tank, all our fittings are now attached, and we've got the 40mm inlet, we've got the 1/2-inch breather, and then we've also got the outlet going to the water pump. On the rear of the vehicle, we've got our locking filler cap, where the water pipe runs up and over the wheel arch to the locking filler cap. With the convoluted hose as your filler, you'll also have the breather that will run parallel with that fitting. So let's have a quick look inside the van and see what extras we've added to the kit that we've already shown you outside. So first of all, we've come from the water pump and we've obviously got our tap. We've used the CBE PC210 kit. On the CBE kit, you buy an individual probe, which is already fitted in the tank. As we touch the water level sender, it tells us what percent we've got in the water tank. So that'll go up in 10% increments, giving you a really good guide to what water you've got left and how to use it the most efficient. We've used in the sink the Comet Florence mixer tap. Simply turn that on, gives you a really good flow of water, as I said, outside, and it's just perfect for the leisure use, basically. Underneath the seat, as we turn it over, we've got the Showflow 20 psi water pump. Just here, we've got the filter, which is just obviously in line before the water pump itself. Coming out of the water pump onto a T-piece and into the 6-litre water boiler. Now, there's several water boilers that you can use with this kind of setup. That's all a preference thing. If you need any advice or guidance from ourselves, as we keep saying, just give us a call, an email, and we can help you out, no problems at all. As we move around the back of the vehicle, we've added one more item, which is the Bullfinch external shower point. So with the external shower point, another T-piece away from the water pump, we've got the shower point, and obviously nice and easy, we can have a shower wherever and whenever we want. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if this video has helped you in any way, and fingers crossed we'll get more content onto our YouTube channel for you to watch shortly.